Good Monday morning is the Loudoun County weather outlook for October 7th, 2021. Hey, we're starting off with the national picture here. This is the GFS forecast model, just showing you what's going on. Here we are up in Loudoun County here, Virginia. In general, you see what's going on. Of course, everybody's watching Hurricane Milton down here in the Gulf. Going to go ahead and just put this through motion just to show you we are staying dry, high and dry. You don't see any weather over in our area. This low here to the north is funneling in cooler air as well as this high. The funnel is coming out of the northwest, so pretty much all week going to stay dry and cool. As a matter of fact, we get really cool by Thursday night. Lows Thursday night could get into the 30s. You'll see now just a track of Hurricane Milton down to the south. Not sure it comes that far north or not. We'll have to see how things pan out. Regardless, it is going to be something that Florida's going to really have to deal with, and maybe the far southeast. So definitely a challenging time for the United States with all these disasters. So don't forget about the disasters. So here I'm just kind of going ahead and pushing in the far future. You can see the continued cooler air into the east getting ushered in, but nothing as far as precipitation. This here, going into next week, of course, now we're into La La Land, really far out. This is really cool. Cold enough, as a matter of fact, in the upper atmosphere, that if it was to precipitate at night, maybe you could even see snow. Of course, there's no precipitation, so we don't have to worry. You can see streamers, is what they would call, off the Great Lakes. That it would be snow if it was a little colder and a little deeper into winter. So you do see some of the higher elevations kind of seeing that snow off into the northeast. Super long term, I mean, at this point, we're kind of way out in the La La Land. Maybe something else to watch down south, but this is just out there, so it's not really worth the watch at all. And here's what we're expecting temperature-wise. Highs today up near 70. Tomorrow, again, now we're in the 60s, probably only the mid-60s. By Wednesday, highs again into the 60s. Then we have Thursday. Thursday is looking cooler, highs maybe in the low and mid 60s, so really chilly. That's why on Thursday night, here's the minimum temperatures, we can see 30s for the lowest. This is the forecast by the National Weather Service, so that's what you're seeing here. I should have adjusted the screen. And then we get a little bit warmer into the next weekend, which is nice. We get up into the 70s again, kind of a repeat of what we just went through. So that's kind of what we're looking for, and hopefully that makes sense. Pretty much a dry forecast, and maybe trending a little bit above normal in the 6 to 10 day forecast area. This is the Climate Prediction Center's outlook. This is the temps. Just showing a slight tendency for above normal. Again, now we're talking like upper 70s to around 80, but most likely still in the 70s. That's true even in the 8 to 14. But look at this precip map. I mean, this precip is just very much set. This is showing drier than normal. Good chances of very dry conditions. Speaking of Loudoun County weather outlook for Monday, October 7th, 2024. Let me know if you like this. Thanks.